This is Mars. Once a frozen desert, it has become humanity's second home. Beneath its crimson skies, an extraordinary civilization is beginning to flourish. Thousands of engineers, scientists, and explorers built the first permanent colony, creating a safe underground city protected from Mars's harsh environment. Ends here. Millions of carefully preserved seeds ensure future generations will always have the genetic diversity needed to feed an entire planet.
Storms intensifying.
From deep beneath the Martian surface, mission control monitors every habitat, spacecraft, weather system, and life support network across the expanding colony. Mars itself becomes the laboratory. Every handful of regolith helps scientists understand how to transform barren ground into fertile farmland. Inside advanced laboratories, researchers study Martian minerals, removing toxic compounds while engineering nutrient-rich growing media for future crops. Sophisticated processing plants recycle organic waste into valuable nutrients, creating a completely sustainable farming ecosystem with almost nothing wasted.
These sprouts are thriving.
Scientists
The
continuously
pH
improve
levels are
crops,
stable.
selecting plants that grow faster, require less water, and thrive under carefully controlled Martian conditions.
Let's review the growth times for these crops.
The data shows beans have the
Nutrition specialists carefully design balanced meals, ensuring every colonist receives essential vitamins, proteins,
Let's run a
and
simulation
minerals
for a
for
mixed
healthy
crop.
life on Mars. Life begins with tiny seedlings. These first green leaves symbolize humanity's greatest achievement, growing life on another world.
pH levels are stable.
Towering
growth looks
vertical
excellent.
farms maximize every square meter,
Nutrient mix is
producing
optimal
fresh
for this
vegetables
batch.
year-round while using only a
Adjusting
fraction of
light
Earth's
spectrum for better
agricultural
yield.
resources. Autonomous robots work around the clock, planting, monitoring, and harvesting crops with remarkable precision and almost no human intervention.
Look at these beauties. So fresh from the soil.
The colony celebrates another successful
Perfect
harvest,
for the market.
proving that fresh food can be grown even millions of kilometers away from Earth.
This is incredible. Fresh food in space.
The hydroponics are working.
I could eat this every day.
We should celebrate with a toast.
To the mission and to us.
To us. System check complete. Proceed with the pass.
Massive underground greenhouses
Path
recreate
clear.
Earth's
Engage the
ideal
harvester.
climate, shielding delicate crops from
Coverage.
deadly radiation,
Monitoring output.
freezing temperatures, and global dust storms.
System stable. pH is optimal. Nutrient levels are perfect.
Without soil, plant
Growth
roots
rate is
absorb
steady.
nutrient-rich water directly, producing healthy crops faster while conserving one of Mars' most precious resources.
System is stable. Let's check the flow. Adjusting valve now. Flow is
Every
increasing.
drop of water is recycled through advanced
Pressure is
purification
optimal.
systems,
Monitoring closely.
creating a nearly closed-loop
All systems are performing
ecosystem
efficiently.
capable of supporting thousands of people. Specialized LED systems precisely replicate Earth's sunlight, allowing plants to grow efficiently regardless of the harsh Martian day-night cycle. Artificial intelligence constantly monitors plant health, detecting disease, nutrient deficiencies, and environmental changes before problems can spread. Driverless harvesters carefully collect mature crops with incredible efficiency, ensuring continuous food production for the growing colony. Plant roots suspended in air receive nutrient-rich mist, reducing water consumption even further while dramatically accelerating plant growth.
Leaf structure looks good. Roots are healthy. Nutrient levels are stable.
Scientists
Adjusting
examine
pH
root
for
systems
optimal
to
growth.
understand how plants adapt to Martian
All systems
agriculture,
green, this bay is
improving
thriving.
yields with every new generation. Automated towers stretch deep into the underground city, producing enormous quantities of food inside compact, climate-controlled environments. Highly intelligent robots inspect every crop individually, adjusting lighting, nutrients, and irrigation with extraordinary precision.
Systems nominal. Production is at 98%.
Advanced
Nutrient
control
levels
rooms
optimized.
coordinate
CO2
thousands of
stable at 800
sensors,
ppm.
creating a digital
Efficiency
twin
is
of
up.
every
Deploying maintenance
greenhouse
protocol.
throughout the Martian settlement.
All units report green. Operation successful. Nutrient levels are stabilizing. Good.
Researchers
Let's check
engineer
the root
stronger,
zone.
more
I'm adjusting
resilient
the flow
crops
rate now.
capable of
The
feeding
pH is
future
holding
cities
steady at
as
5.8.
humanity expands
Excellent.
across the red
Let's log
planet.
this and move to the next sample. Agreed. I'll prep the Petri dish.
On the Martian surface, enormous transparent domes capture natural sunlight, allowing large-scale agriculture to flourish beneath protective glass. These next-generation biodomes combine intelligent climate control, renewable energy, and automated farming into one self-sustaining ecosystem. Beyond survival, beautiful gardens restore nature itself, providing fresh air, biodiversity, and emotional well-being for every colonist. Tiny robotic pollinators replace Earth's insects, ensuring flowers produce fruits and seeds despite Mars' completely lifeless environment.
Fruit harvest optimal. Plants thriving. Moving to next section.
For the first time, fresh fruit trees flourish on Mars, bringing familiar flavors and memories from humanity's home planet.
Algae growth is steady. Let's check the nutrient levels. Increasing CO2 infusion to
Bioreactors
boost
cultivate
production.
microscopic algae that generate
Efficiency is up.
oxygen,
The system is
recycle carbon
optimizing.
dioxide, and provide valuable nutrients for future food systems.
System checks are stable. Pressure is holding at 150 psi. Flow rates are optimal.
Harvested
No anomalies
crops are
detected.
transformed into
Moving
nutritious
to inspect
meals,
the primary
preserving
reactor.
freshness while
All
supplying an
parameters are
ever-growing
within
underground
tolerance.
population.
Process is stable.
Welcome to the Ares lab on Mars. These are our latest lab-grown meat samples. Observe the marbled
Cellular
texture
agriculture
identical to
produces
Earth beef.
real meat without
Holographic
livestock,
analysis confirms optimal
dramatically
cell growth.
reducing resource
This
consumption
technology will
while
sustain our
providing
Martian
sustainable
colony.
protein for the colony. Advanced fish farms recycle nutrients naturally, creating balanced ecosystems that produce both fresh seafood and fertilizer for nearby crops. Nothing is discarded. Every organic material is recycled into energy, nutrients, or water, completing Mars' circular economy.
Transferring to analysis.
Scientists continue
Growth
exploring
metrics are
entirely
stable.
new plant species that may one day feed massive cities spread across the solar system. Decades of innovation have transformed a barren desert into a thriving civilization powered by science, determination, and human imagination. Families gather to celebrate another successful harvest, honoring the pioneers whose vision turned an impossible dream into reality. Mars is no longer just another planet. It has become humanity's second home, proving that life can flourish wherever courage leads us.